Hello again, it's me, Dilly. I just wanted to come on here really quickly and just have a quick conversation about the previous video that I posted about wanting to quit my job. And the reason is because I just couldn't believe the amount of engagement that I got, how many views I got, all the comments, because I'm on YouTube, but I'm doing this for fun and for when I feel like it. I don't know if it'll become something, but I don't have 200 subscribers, and I barely break 100 views. And so for last time I checked, it was like over 1,000 views, and all the comments and the engagement. Everybody was so cool and gave me advice, and it was really nice. And I just thought it was just so interesting because it just goes to show that wanting to quit your job really resonates with a lot of people. Like, are we just out here just wanting to quit and not wanting to work? And it's not just laziness or not wanting to work, but just feeling unfulfilled. You know, for me, it's not that I don't want to work. Now hold on now. Well, I don't want to work, but I know we have to work, we have to make an income, but I need something that excites me. I hate that I feel forced to go in an environment that's draining in exchange for a little bit of change. You know, for me, and I think for a lot of people out there, we live paycheck to paycheck. Sometimes my paycheck does not last, or I don't make it till the next paycheck. I have to borrow money. It is what it is. I hate to say it, but people have to help me out. And you know, I'm lucky to have a very strong support system, and when I need help, I'm given. Sometimes I have to borrow money, sometimes they give me, because they know that I work hard and I do nothing but pay my bills. I really don't do anything extra because I don't have it. It just sucks. And I just think that a lot of people out there are feeling the same thing. And I'm with you. You're with me. Big up to you. Big up to all the people who go out there and get it, even though they're miserable. Because what else are we going to do, really? Big up to the people who actually leave that 9 to 5 and risk it all and create their own business and do well with that. You know, big up to the risk takers, and big up to the people who stay in it because you have responsibilities, you have a family, you have yourself to look after. You know, it's not always about people who have other mouths to feed. You have to feed yourself. But truthfully, not just feeding my belly, I'm ready to feed my soul. I don't know. I said that in the last video. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. And let me just say that I am very grateful that I do have a job. Last year, 2024, I was without a job. Things were rough last year. And while I love sleeping in late, I was very nervous about not having any money coming in. I did DoorDash and Instacart, Uber Eats, but for me, that's not sustainable. So having a stable income is a blessing, but that doesn't mean I'm going to be joyful. But I am grateful. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here really quick because it's just all the engagement that I got. Big up to everybody who commented, anybody who watched. I enjoyed the comments. I enjoyed interacting with everyone. And I feel you, and you guys feel me, and I feel you too. So, I don't want to say anything lame to end the video, like keep on fighting the good fight. But yeah, that's it. That's the video. I'm gonna end it there. I don't even know if this video made sense. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Bye. Oh wait, another thing. P.S. My next video is probably going to be me and my family fishing, probably in the Florida Keys. That's the type of content that I actually want to be doing: outdoors, fishing, all that stuff that you'll see if you stick around. So if you do want to see content like that from me, please do stick around if you want to. That's all. Bye.